What it do, fam bams? Y'all know what it is. So your boy's happy. I'm off. I mean, pretty much. Like, I got off like a couple of hours ago, but I ain't got to go to work tomorrow, so I'm stoked as hell because I get to go ahead and put all the parts that I've been accumulating and getting from people. We got freaking wheels, fairings. We got the freaking side fairings. We got the trimmings. We got the forks. We got the triples. We got all the stuff for the bike. I don't even know where to start, but let me show you the track bike right now. Y'all are just catching up. For y'all that just catching up, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and, you know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe and go ahead and check out the other videos on the page and channel, you know what I'm saying? If you want to follow me for updates and everything else that's going on, you know what I'm saying? Some of these videos get put out a little bit later. So if you really want to know what's going on, go ahead and check out, you know, the Instagram at DriftLife26 or you can check out Instagram at Dim Streets Moving. You can check out, you know, the Snapchat at dsc.streets. You know what I'm saying? Just check it all out. You know what I'm saying? If you want to, you know, we'll check everything out, fam. So I'm just saying. So just letting y'all see, you know, get the links and stuff. But I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on right now. Check this out. All right, so this is the 05 right now. Right here was completely wrecked and everything. I'll rerun and let y'all see like some of the stuff before. This is how it looked before. You know, now build character and get some character, you know what I'm saying? So, where we left off was I was removing the triples, the old triples and everything, getting rid of all the stuff and the forks and stuff like that. And, you know, I was getting rid of some of the foot pegs and stuff, getting rid of the old black fairing that was on here that was all cracked up. I had to, you know what I'm saying, get rid of a lot of stuff on the front. Basically, the whole front end was bare. Now what we've done is we have good triples now. I didn't say brand new triples, but we have good triples now. We have the stabilizer, the steering dampener right here. This is on the bracket right now. It don't have to be. I actually have the mounts for the handlebar to mount down here, but I like it better like this. I'll see how it is once it's all hooked up to see which you know part is better or whatever, but I feel like it'll be good right here. We have the steel braided lines, the steel braided line brakes. Brake lines, and we finally got all the bolts for the brakes as well, so we can continue forward. On that note, we have all the levers. All the levers are good. I got the key out. I actually have a key now for it. I have a gas lid now for it, with the same key, so that's pretty cool. All these plastics and stuff are here. These are broke, so I have new plastics and trimmings and everything that's gonna go on the bike as well. We got the better fairing than the other one. It's missing one bracket, like mountain point on here, which isn't really anything, honestly. I do have the lock for the trunk, which goes right there. I have all that stuff right there. Went ahead and checked the chain out. The chain was actually dirty as heck. I'm not gonna lie, but it's a really good chain. All right, so hopefully this works. I can show y'all better. All right, so you can see the foot pegs that we added on here by Vortex. As you can see, we have the Vortex sprocket. It's a little wet and stuff from the chain wax, but yeah, I cleaned it up. The chain looks good. It's actually pretty good, not lie. Sounds good. Really smooth. No crinks in the chain or nothing. So we're good there. Let me show you the exhaust. Well, show you the headers. The headers are bent really bad. I mean, it's horrible. So, really, really horrible. This one is completely just smudged, so I don't really want to bother trying to start it up multiple times, you know what I'm saying? Until that gets fixed. The radiator needs to be taken off still, which is almost done. I'm gonna take that off, go find one at work, and then check these fans out to make sure the fans aren't messed up. I know one of them is free. The other one is like kind of bucked in, so I may have to use like a heat gun to like warp it back or whatever, but I'll see what I can do. The tank has a dent in it. It's not pierced or nothing, not from what I can tell, but it's got a little dent in it. If I need to, I'll pull the fuel pump and then pop the dent out or whatever. Or I don't know, we'll see what happens. Here's the best part, guys. Here is all the new parts that's about to go on the bike. Check it out. We have the gauge cluster, lets you know how fast you're going. I'm always going super fast. I'm always right there in the red zone. You see that? You see that? It does that. See that blinking? It does that when I get to that zone right there. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Too fast. We have the key lock. We have the other back brake, which is going to get installed. It has the brake line on it. Gas cap right here that matches the same key as that. We have the front wheel. Yeah, we have a front wheel with a tire on it. Is it still aired up? Yes, it's still aired up. We have the front support right here. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Whatever, we have a horn. We got this today from work, you know what I'm saying? The complete trimming kit for the bike and everything to mount these fairings and everything. Here's our the fairing that came with the bike. I have a few fairings that I'm adding on to it to complete it. I also bought this undercarriage right here with this mysterious piece that I forgot where it goes. Here's the new headers right here, looking dope as hell, you know what I'm saying? Boom, they look practically brand new, literally brand new. I mean, seriously, like they haven't had no exhaust in it. Like, I don't know how to put this. Like, they came on the bike, the guy who had the bike, he rode the bike maybe once or twice and then just took the exhaust out. Like, the exhaust is, I don't know how to put it so you can see it, but like the exhaust is freaking good, baby. We have the front wheel fairing. I believe that carries pretty much what that bike needs. And I do have a back seat, and I do need to get another seat. So the seat, the radiator, and the front fairing with the visor, maybe a backlight. I may have a backlight already at work, I'm not sure, but let's go. bent, messed up. I mean, it's done for. I mean, dang, look at that. Look at that offset. See that? Jeez. So, yeah, I don't know. We probably turn this into like an exhaust or something with that end over there. You know what I'm saying? I got me another X up. So, that's good. I guess if my other one breaks, but this one is a brand new exhaust here. So, we should be heck of good with this one. This one's set up and look like it's already fully closed and everything compared to that one over there. Look like it's still partially up, probably from the accident. See, look, this one look like it's look at that. Look, boom. There you go. Now we're good, but it looks kind of messed up a little bit too.